Imagine a sea where you can float effortlessly, without any effort at all, as if you were lying on a soft, buoyant mattress. This is the Dead Sea, a place of wonder and extremes, where the landscape is as dramatic as the experience itself. It is the lowest point on Earth, located over 400 meters below sea level, nestled between the borders of Jordan and Israel. The Dead Sea has fascinated people for centuries, drawing in explorers, historians, and travelers from all corners of the globe. Its unique properties make it a popular destination for tourists and scientists alike. Researchers study its mineral-rich waters, while visitors enjoy its therapeutic benefits. The Dead Sea is not a sea at all. Despite its name, it is actually a salt lake. It is a salt lake, meaning it is landlocked and filled with salt water, unlike the vast open oceans. However, the Dead Sea's water is far saltier than any ocean, with a salinity level that is nearly 10 times higher. This extreme salinity is what gives the Dead Sea its unusual characteristics. The high salt content makes the water so dense that it is almost impossible to sink, creating a unique floating experience. Whether you come for the science, the history, or simply to float and relax, the Dead Sea offers an unforgettable experience that is unlike any other place on Earth. The Dead Sea is incredibly buoyant. Due to the high salt content, you can float on the surface without any effort. This is a truly unique experience that draws visitors from all over the world. The Dead Sea is called dead for a reason. Almost nothing can live in its extremely salty water. There are no fish, plants, or large animals. However, microscopic organisms called extremophiles thrive in this harsh environment. The Dead Sea has a rich history. It is mentioned in the Bible and other ancient texts. King David is said to have sought refuge in the area. The Dead Sea was also a source of valuable resources like salt and asphalt. The Dead Sea Scrolls were discovered in caves near the Dead Sea. These ancient manuscripts provide valuable insights into the past. They are considered one of the most important archaeological finds of the 20th century. Section 4. Healing powers of the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea, a natural wonder, is renowned for its unique properties that have been celebrated for centuries. The Dead Sea is known for its therapeutic properties. Its waters are 10 times saltier than the ocean, creating a buoyancy that allows people to float effortlessly. The mineral-rich mud and water are said to have healing benefits. The mud is packed with minerals like magnesium, sodium, and potassium, which can nourish and rejuvenate the skin. People come from all over the world to bathe in the Dead Sea and experience its rejuvenating effects. The unique combination of minerals and the high salinity of the water can help alleviate skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. The Dead Sea's low altitude also offers health benefits. Situated at the Earth's lowest elevation on land, it provides a unique atmospheric pressure that can improve circulation and reduce stress. The air is richer in oxygen, which can be beneficial for people with respiratory problems. This higher oxygen content can help those suffering from conditions like asthma and other respiratory issues. The sun's harmful UV rays are also weaker at this altitude. This allows visitors to enjoy the sun's warmth with a reduced risk of sunburn, making it a perfect destination for relaxation and healing. Section 5. A harsh and beautiful landscape. The Dead Sea is located in a desert region with an extreme climate. The area receives very little rainfall and temperatures can soar during the summer months. The landscape is stark yet beautiful, with towering cliffs and salt formations. The Dead Sea is shrinking. This is due to a combination of factors, including human water diversion and climate change. Efforts are underway to conserve this unique body of water. Section 6. A timeless destination. The Dead Sea is a place of wonder and intrigue. Nestled between Jordan and Israel, it is one of the most unique bodies of water on Earth. Its unique properties, rich history, and therapeutic benefits continue to draw visitors from all corners of the globe. The high salinity allows people to float effortlessly, creating a surreal experience. Whether you are seeking relaxation, adventure, or a glimpse into the past, the Dead Sea offers a truly unforgettable experience. The mineral-rich mud is renowned for its healing properties, attracting those looking for natural remedies. The Dead Sea is a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. Its serene landscapes and tranquil waters provide a perfect backdrop for meditation and reflection. It is a place that has captivated humanity for centuries, and will continue to do so for generations to come. From ancient civilizations to modern-day explorers, the Dead Sea remains a timeless destination that offers something for everyone.